right, good morning. It is time now for your spelling test. So Miss Asma will give the ants your spelling test just as we normally do, and I will do year 4 and year 3. So we'll start with year 4. Make sure that you have your pencil, and you have, I think, 12 words this week. So you can number your paper. This is week 30, and today is May 12th. All right, so you can write those things at the top of the paper. If you need to stop the video in order to finish all that, you may. But I'm going to start with your words. All right, number 1, microscope. Microscope. He could see the little tiny cells in the microscope when he looked through it. Microscope. Sorry, microscope. Number 2, micron. Micron. A micron is a very small unit of measurement. Micron measures very small things. Number 3, microbe. A microbe is a very small organism. Microbe. Microphone. The microphone on my computer was not working at the beginning of the week. Microphone. All right, number 5, minibus. We will take the minibus when we go to Alexandria. Minibus. Number 6, mini beast. There are many mini beasts flying around outside. We actually caught a bee the other day. Mini beasts. Mini beast. Number 7, miniature. I saw a miniature statue the other day of the Virgin Mary. Miniature. Number 8, minimum. The minimum number of students that can go on the field trip is 10. Otherwise, we will have to cancel it. Minimum. Minimum. Number 9, minimize. Please minimize your screen so that we can go to the next activity. Minimize. Number 10, little. My little sister came to visit me. Little. Number 11, minor. Minor. I have a minor problem this morning. I lost my pencil and can't find it. Minor. And number 12, you can pronounce this 2 different ways depending on how you use it. Minute or minute. In this case, since everything is where we've been talking about is small, I would say minute. All right. The error margin is very minute or very small. Minute. Both words are spelled the same way, by the way. If I were to say minute, I will be back in 1 minute. It's spelled exactly the same way as minute. All right. Great job. Year 3, it's your turn. So year 4, please turn in your books, blue books, to Miss Asma for grading, for marking. All right. Make sure that if you do get them wrong, you write them out 3 times the correct way, okay, when she gives them back to you. And let her see that again so she can mark that you've done it. All right. So year 3, we again are on week 30. Today is May 12th, and it's time for your spelling. You also, I believe, have 12 words. All right, all of them have the long A sound, and they're spelled in a particular way. All right. Number 1, vein. You can see the vein in my arms right by my wrist. If you look at yours, you can see yours too. This is where the blood comes, flows through your body, is through your veins. Vein. Number 2, weigh. We need to make sure we weigh our ingredients so that we have the right amount. Weigh. Number 3, weight. The weight of the bag of apples was 5 pounds. Weight. Number 4 is the number 8 spelled out. I have 8 books to read over the summer. 8. Number 5 is 8th. I am the 8th daughter in my family. 8th. Not really. 8th. Number 6. AT. There are 80 students in our school. 80. 80, in other words. And the next one is 18. We have more than 18 students in our class. 18. Number 8 is neigh. The horse makes a sound that sounds like neigh. Number 9 is neighbor. Please be kind to your neighbor. Neighbor. Number 10 is neighborly. It is very neighborly to bring a meal when someone is struggling. Neighborly. Neighborly. Number 11, neighborhood. I live in a beautiful neighborhood. Neighborhood. And last one, number 12, sleigh. I like to ride my sleigh when it's snowing outside. Sleigh. All right, that's the end of your list. I'll read through them one more time. Number 1, vein. Number 2, weigh. Number 3, weight. Number 4, 8, as in the number. 8. Number 5, 8th. Number 6, 80. Number 7, 18, as in the number in our class. I'm not even sure. The next one is neigh. And then neighbor. Number 10 is neighborly. 11, neighborhood. And 12 is sleigh. All right, everyone. Great job today. Year 4, if you're still unsure, I'll read the words again because I forgot to read them at the end of yours. Microscope, micron, microbe, microphone, minibus, mini beast, miniature, minimum, minimize, little, minor, and minute. All right, everyone. Have a great day.